This is another demonstration of elif.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Now we are going to write down a program. Let me first write WOP, which stands for write a program. Write a program that reads, that is inputs, marks and annual family income of a student. He is entitled for a scholarship if marks are greater than or equal to 90. He will be entitled for scholarship. But else if marks are not greater than or equal to 90, that is less than 90, then if annual family income is less than or equal to 50,000, even then he is entitled for scholarship. That means if marks are even less than 90, but annual family income is less than or equal to 50,000, if this condition is true, then again he is entitled for scholarship. But if both conditions are false, that is marks are less than 90 and annual family income is greater than 50,000, both conditions are false. If both conditions are false, no scholarship would be granted. Okay, I am taking the variable marks is equal to input, enter the marks obtained. This is the prompt. Marks will be read from the user. Then enter the annual family income, that will be read from the user, and that will be put into the variable and fam inc. Okay, after that I will convert marks into int marks, because whenever we people use input, the input is taken in the form of strings only. Then using this float, I would be converting this float fam income into float and put into this variable with the same name and fam income, because Python is of dynamic data type. Okay, now I am making the check if marks is greater than or equal to 90. If this condition is true, scholarship granted. That's it. We are not going to check annual family income in this case. If marks are greater than or equal to 90, scholarship will be granted. But suppose this condition is false, what will happen? Elif, that means else if annual family income is less than or equal to 50,000, that means if the annual family income of the student is less than or equal to 50,000, even then scholarship granted despite low marks. Okay, this else means none of the above two conditions are satisfied. Neither marks are greater than or equal to 90 nor annual family income is less than or equal to 50,000. In that case, we don't want to grant any scholarship. Scholarship not granted as marks are low and annual family income is higher than 50,000. Let me write higher than 50,000. Okay, so let me execute this program. Control Shift F10. It is asking for the marks obtained. Let me give the marks as 100, as you can see. Then it is asking for the annual family income. Suppose I give the annual family income as 90,000, which is above 50,000. Even then it is saying scholarship granted. Why? Because our first condition was true, that was if marks greater than or equal to 90, scholarship granted. Again I am executing the program. Control Shift F10. Okay, marks obtained. I am giving the marks obtained as 70. I am giving the annual family income as 34,000 or anything less than 50,000. You will see scholarship granted despite low marks. So what happened now was this condition was false, marks greater than or equal to 90, but when it went to elif, this condition was true and family income was less than or equal to 50,000 because it was given to be 34,000. So again scholarship granted despite low marks. Okay, so Let me again execute this program, Control Shift F10. So this time over, I'm going to give the marks as suppose anything less than 90, and annual family income anything greater than or equal to 50,000. Greater than 50,000. I will press enter. Now it is giving the message scholarship not granted, marks are low, as marks are low and annual family income is higher than 50,000. So what happened was, if marks is greater than or equal to 90, this condition was false. It went to elif. Again, this condition was also false because income was given as 90,000. It went to else. When this else works, when none of the above conditions are satisfied. So it said scholarship not granted, as marks are low and annual family income is higher than 50,000. So this is how this program worked.